Hi, I'm Harvey, and today we're going to be doing a range test of our antenna for our CanSat. We're going to have a team that's going to go to a local park in Guildford, and a team that's going to stay on campus and hopefully pick up our radio signal, which should be about 2.4 kilometers, and that should successfully be the range that we're going to launch our rocket to. So if we receive data today and it's all good, then it's a successful test.
So we're here testing our CanSat for Mach24, and what we're going to do is we're going to do a range test from Tillingbourne down to Stoke Park. For the moment, we're just testing it on the roof to make sure that it all works, and then two of us are going to go down to Stoke Park to check the range. Should work at 3 kilometers, at which point that then means that we'll be able to receive at apogee of the rocket. So I'm receiving from the CanSat, I just don't have GPS on the ground station.
That's fine, that's your own one.
Yeah.
Did you ever, because cable's not plugged in?
What do you mean? Oh no, that's just TX. That's the RX, I mean, which we're not using.
Okay.
I mean, maybe I need to move this one.
Stop filming. I'd like your opinions on what we can improve of what? It's receiving through it.
You can see it in time with the blue flash.
Oh, it's there. No, so the blue flash, no. So the blue flash is every second. We're transmitting every second. How long is the walk to thingy?
Stoke Park, maybe half an hour.
Alright, are you guys ready for waiting around for us to do that?
Yeah, no problem.
So the others have gone down to Stoke Park now, ready to do the range test. We've set up the gear here. So we have our very high-tech receiving antenna. So high-tech that it is zip-tied to a cardboard box, because if it isn't jank, it isn't ears. We've got the laptop receiving with the ground station with some totally proprietary code that you can't see because it's a competition at the end of the day. And our super zoom camera to head all the way into the distance at Stoke Park, and you can see it just about sees the building. So we should see the guys later when they are about 2.5 kilometers away. So we're just waiting on them now. Mike 7 Hotel Golf November, I believe I can see the orange blur of a high-vis. If you give me 1 sec, I'm just going to zoom in with my camera on your position. Over.
Yeah. So our team's now at Stoke Park, so I think we will switch to them.
Check done.
Yep. And we are receiving packets. We're receiving packets. Turkish 0 Kilo Hotel, receiving packets with no dropout whatsoever. Oh my god. Yes, okay, I can see it. Okay, that's fantastic. Okay, that's really good. And you just unblocked it right now, correct? Okay. I'm being uploaded to the arc, so it's looking really nice. The signal quality is fantastic.
Okay, so we are just testing the range of the CanSat, and I believe that you're picking it perfectly at the ground station. We are transmitting our GPS and some atmosphere data, and should be perfect.
Give us a wave.
Now.
Okay, fantastic guys, thank you very much. Using those coordinates, we had your exact location, and to Tillingbourne exactly, it is 2,344.03 meters, so 2.3k.
Wow, that is amazing, thank you.
And that is using the CanSat data of your coordinates we received from here, so that's even more amazing. You didn't even have to tell us anything, and we were able to find out how far away you are. Right, so we're going to do our final test for today. The main thing is to see how direction the Yagi antenna is. So SurreyEARS has kind of donated his little notebook to have the SDR display of what we're receiving. So what you've seen there is the packet data from the CanSat, which we were decoding earlier on Harvey's PC, but now we're just seeing on the waterfall display. The main test is going to see if I move this away from the window with our very professional setup here. There we go. So on the SDR display there, if pointing this away, it's dropped out the signal completely. But if I point it back, and I'm not even going to do anything, we're just going to point it roughly, we have the signal back. So that's fantastic. So it does matter with how direction we are. I'm going to point it slightly off axis. We are still receiving, but that's probably about 30 degrees off or so from where they currently are. So, oh, that's even stronger now. Okay.
They did go and have lunch off to the left.
Okay. That is really strong now, so... But that's just from pointing.
Hello.
You're all back!
I'm Show them the things.
Do you want to see the ground station footage that we
I
got?
want to see the SDR stuff.
Live reaction.
This is the SDR.
It is so much cleaner. It was like
Did you do the SDR for the
perfect,
Malphite?
like 60. Yeah, and that wasn't even full quality. When I pointed the tenor again towards you, it was like even stronger. Stop filming them. Show them like the amazing photos.
It's the
Sorry,
reaction
those photos
footage.
were so zooming. We couldn't we saw the flash, but we couldn't see.
And so today went really well. We got successful range tests of about 2.4 kilometers, so we're really happy with that. All the data came in perfectly, testing our GPS and everything, so today was a really good test.